Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. This video is regarding the business analyst role for a specific project which we're doing right now. So this is a project with an enterprise B2B SaaS company. They've got a cool product called Titan, which is being used by automobile giants like Toyota and a few others. So this company has managed to get very good revenues from the industry giants purely from their own network because they're solving this very efficient problem of project management in the manufacturing space, right? You have softwares like ClickUp, Jira, Asana, right, which make your project management easier, which is how you do your task breakdowns, how you do your reviews, and so on. Uh, this is a critical problem to solve, and there's a huge market with ClickUp and Jira, commanding a huge amount of market share already. But in the manufacturing space, the needs are a little different, right? It's a lot more niche. So this particular client of ours is doing quite well in that particular niche, and also they have the automation in place for the testing of automobiles before uh, they're deployed. I mean, in case you're curious, you can visit the website 12thwonder.com, 12thwonder.com to understand more about what this company is doing. So this company is founded by some of the industry veterans who already uh, been contributing to technology in various companies. So now we have a unique problem for youngsters to solve, and we're looking at hiring freshers because we'd like fresh thinking to come in, right? Without industry biases, we want new ideas to sort of come into this project. So, as I mentioned, this company has got most of its revenues through existing network itself, right? So there's still a lot of work to be done in terms of improving the digital presence. A lot of work to be done in terms of improving the digital presence and diverting traffic to the website so that organically the leads can be generated. So why is it that search engine marketing is being preferred for this project? Is if you look at social media marketing, if you do Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn or something, you're reaching out to people who may or may not be interested in this offering. But then if you do search engine marketing and you target people who are searching for a solution like this, there are people who are really having a problem. They're looking for a solution. And then you're going there and presenting your solution. So, you need not go and create that need. It's all about articulating the solution and articulating why we are the best solution for their problem. So this is highly intent based marketing that we're doing now. For this role, we tried looking at youngsters who are coming with a marketing angle who want to build careers as marketeers, but that didn't seem to work because a traditional marketer only thinks in terms of, okay, this is the brand, this is the marketing to be done, that's it. But here you're in a very unique problem in terms of figuring out what that marketing mix should be. So once that marketing mix and that marketing strategy is figured out, then I'm sure a lot of digital marketers can take up this and figure out how they want to implement it in their own style, right? So which is why we're looking to hire a business analyst or a growth hacker, a business analyst or a growth hacker rather than a traditional digital marketer, because the person who's hired has to understand the value proposition really well, has to understand why the existing clients are buying and what are the challenges the existing clients are facing right now, understand what are the challenges now and why the existing clients are buying in combination, and then run maybe search engine ads or even social media ads and other ads to make sure the right awareness is created and the right results are obtained. What are right results? That we get leads, we get leads of high quality, which the sales team can work on and convert and get business. So what's the business problem to be solved? The business problem is of generating high quality leads within the budget. So there's something called CAC, customer acquisition cost. Customer acquisition cost is the amount of money a company spends to get one customer. So for growth hackers, the fundamental concept is to optimize LTV by CAC ratio, lifetime value divided by CAC ratio. That is how much money are you able to get out of one customer divided by how much money are you spending in getting that customer. That is, let's say you're selling 10 chips packet to a customer in a year, in a lifetime, and each chips packet costs 50 rupees. Your lifetime value is 500, and you ran ads and you picked up the customer, let's say through Instagram ads, and it costed you 100 rupees to get the customer converted. your LTV by CAC is 500 by 100, which is 5, right? Or let's say you did lead generation at 10 rupees per lead and 20% of your leads converted. So your CAC is 20% of your leads converted, means out of 5 leads, only one becomes a customer. So you need 5 leads to get one customer. So one lead at 10 rupees, 5 leads to get a customer is 50 rupees. So your CAC becomes 50. Now, a traditional digital marketer doesn't understand this LTV, CAC, and so on. This is where either someone wants to be a business analyst in terms of looking at business problems and coming up with creative solutions to the business problems, or a growth hacker who helps businesses in expanding themselves with limited capital, might actually play a bigger role in this project. So I hope I've explained what this project is about. If you're hired, it's an adventure because the idea is to set up a strategy along with an industry veteran who's the project lead for this particular role. Once you go through the assignment, you'll get the LinkedIn profile of the industry lead as well. So exciting project, but needs an individual with openness to learn marketing and openness to understand the business problem and seek solutions according to that. And it's something which is of high impact because you're laying the foundation for something which will be used by many marketeers and which will pave the way for scaling of this company. So we've got a very rigorous selection process to identify the right youngsters who can take this problem, right? Thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy the selection process.